Gold Nation, it's Stephanie Flood, Vice President of Operations here at Remax Gold, and I cannot believe that it is almost Tuesday, September 3rd. That is the day of the booj launch. Super excited to be able to share this amazing technology with all of you, our amazing agents of Gold Nation. So since that's coming up so very soon, I wanted to send you a couple of quick tips to be able to be ready to hit the ground running on Tuesday when the technology rolls out. So the first thing that you want to do is to gather up your database from all of the places that you have it. It could be in that notebook in the closet, it could be in your Gmail, it could be that you have everything in one tidy CRM ready to go and just export to one CSV file. However you have all of that information, we need to put it into one CSV so we can upload it to your booj platform on Tuesday when it is ready to go. So you're going to take the sample CSV file that we sent out with these headers on it, and you're just going to fill in basic contact information: first name, last name, phone number, email, address, and then we're going to scroll over to the site a little bit. And for now, you can just ignore the tag section. That's something we can do when you get into the booj platform. But then you want to include these important dates. So birthday, wedding anniversary, property anniversary, because I'm certain that most of the people in your database have bought and sold real estate with you already. So you'll have that date that you can enter there. So then you want to save this as a CSV file. CSV file, you ask? What is that? So you take your regular old Excel file and you're going to do File, Save As. This little drop down right here. Go down to CSV and name your file whatever you want it to be. And then you are ready for when you get access to the booj platform on the 3rd. So to get there, you're going to go over to Mac Center. Now you have this wonderful booj tile right here. You click through to booj, and you're going to want to go right to this blue button here. So in the booj platform, blue means new. So we're going to click on this Add Import button. And we're going to go to Import List so that we can pull that entire list that you just put together. So we're just going to tell it where that list is. And if your file is from any of these systems, you can go ahead and check one of those. And then you hit Next. You're going to walk through the few simple steps that the system asks you to get all of your information set, and then you are ready to go and start playing with all of the magic that is the booj platform and get everything set up. We are just thrilled to be able to bring you this amazing technology to help you and your business to be that much better than you already are. Can't wait till Tuesday. Get on there and get those CSV files ready to go. Have a great day, Gold Nation.